Hi, welcome aboard. Would you like some Biscoff cookies?
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. Last summer, I got the chance to fly out to Las Vegas to check out ADI, Aircraft Distributors Inc., the home of Gemini Jets and other model airplane brands. The store is located just a few hundred yards from the corner of McCarran International Airport. It was super fun to walk around their showroom and see all the models on display. I'll be releasing a longer video of my experience in JetBlue's Mint cabin on the flight out to the store soon, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, here's a quick look at the walk around the store. Enjoy.
This is like we're here as like part of the experience. Like I got it while I was working.
This is amazing.
Get an A220.
I have this one at
It's a
home.
Delta.
This is the one I have.
Oh, that's nice. How much is that?
53. Because it's a bigger one. Ooh.
Shouldn't I buy the mold from in-flight or they borrow it?
Oh, they have high resolution. Something like that.